Hi, I'm David. Welcome to the Leverage Hedge. This is a $100,000 experiment in portfolio engineering. No gurus, no stock selection, no charts, just math. This video is for entertainment and education only. It is not financial advice, not investment advice, and not a recommendation to buy or sell anything. I am simply documenting my own personal experiment in portfolio engineering, leverage, hedging, risk control, and discipline. We are up 12.18% this week. That is more than 5 times the S&P 500 and more than double the return of the QQQ. I'm going to open up the portfolio right now and show you exactly how we did it. Let's look at the engine. The QQQ was up 5.49% this week, which drove the triple leveraged TQQQ up 16.81%. Our portfolio delivered 12.18%. But here is the shocker. The S&P 500 was only up 2.34%. That means we outperformed the broader market by 5-1 in a single week. Now, you'll notice we didn't beat the raw TQQQ. That will never happen in a vertical bull market. We aren't fully invested in the index, and we carry a massive put position as insurance. That insurance has a cost, which acts as a drag when the market is ripping higher. But our goal isn't to win a drag race against a levered index. Our goal is to capture a massive chunk of that TQQQ move while avoiding the 90% drawdowns that make it impossible for most people to hold. Because the market ran up so fast, we spent this week rolling up the puts in our portfolio. This is our magic sauce for 2 reasons. First, recentering. As the market climbs, our old puts are left at the bottom of the hill. By rolling up the puts to a higher strike price, we are locking in our gains. We are resetting our floor. So the profits we made this week are now protected by the new insurance. Second, active protection. If a crash happened tomorrow, deep out of the money puts wouldn't help you much. By rolling up the puts, we keep our shield right behind the current price. We trade a bit of our upside for this protection, but in return, we get the guaranteed ability to stay in the race. That is how you beat the S&P handsomely while knowing your floor is moving up with you. I want to offer a different angle on the old saying that higher risk equals higher reward. In professional engineering, we know that risk and reward are actually not correlated. Most people think if they take a big risk, they deserve a big reward. That's not how math works. In the real world, when the risk is high, most of the time you simply end up with 0. Think about a lottery ticket. That is the highest risk you can take, a near certainty of loss. Does it offer a correlated reward? No. For 99.9% of people, the reward is 0. As a former rally driver, I can tell you driving a car at 200 miles per hour without a roll cage isn't high reward risk. It's just stupid risk. One mistake equals 0. Now look at the opposite. Picking up pennies in front of a steamroller. This is what amateurs do when they sell naked options or use unhedged leverage. They take on a 99% chance of a tiny gain for a 1% chance of total liquidation. That is high risk for low reward. It is mathematically broken, yet thousands of traders do it every day. The truth is that the U.S. market is statistically low risk over long horizons, but it offers elite rewards provided you don't get shaken out. The biggest risk isn't a market crash, it's the human element. It's your inability to hold on when the path gets vertical. The volatility is simply the price of admission. That is why I spend so much time talking about rolling the puts. By moving our insurance floor higher as the market climbs, we are resetting the math. We are using a systematic way to ensure we can actually hold the most volatile, highest reward asset on earth without the risk of ruin. We aren't gambling on tech stocks. We are engineering a flight path. Our philosophy is built on asymmetric risk. We use the maximum power of the U.S. market through 3x leverage, but we wrap it in an institutional grade safety structure. We are engineering the 0 out of the equation so that the math of compounding can actually do its job. We trade the cost of insurance for the certainty of the finish line I've promised to do this for 2 years. A full market cycle is simple. To grow wealth faster than the S&P 500 while maintaining a professional grade safety structure. If you're looking for picks or signals, you're in the wrong place. If you're looking for a system you can actually hold, stay tuned.